Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Mondays. I am Romina and today's video we're going to be doing it with Beauty Bulletin. I'm excited because it is a body range as well as a hair range which consists of shampoo, conditioner, shower gel and body scrub. I'm excited to share it with you, so continue watching to see what product I'm going to be trying out in the next month. Beauty Bulletin was so generous and they sent me a parcel where I was able to share a few of the products in with my friends, and I decided to give it to my sister and her roommate because it was the easiest at the time during this lockdown to decide to give it to them, and I really do hope that they are using the products and they're enjoying the products as much as I've been. Let's show you what it is. The hair range consists of a shampoo. This is the shampoo. And a conditioner. Then a body scrub and a shower gel. These are all in the Apricot range, which they claim is with 100% cold pressed oil from that natural agent. There are other beauty influencers doing this review as well. They're doing it on either the Apricot range like myself, or they're doing it on the avocado, coconut or almond range. So there are 4 in this range. And I'm trying out the orange one, which is the Apricot. It is saying that it is for a vitalized and soft skin feel. And with the hair, it's for healthy looking shine and cared hair. I've used it once at this point, and I'm going to be using it throughout the month to see how my body reacts, how my hair feels. Just to give this a proper, thorough review, I do want to try use it for quite a while. I'm going to use it until the products are finished, and I'm going to share with you as much information as I can while I'm using, the products. You can buy these products nationwide. They are sold at Pick and Pay, Clicks, Discount and Takealot.com. The reason why firstly I signed up onto this project is because it's a vegan product. It claims that it's natural. It's also said here that they try to save water when they're, busy making these products. But what they say is that it's free from artificial colorants. They're saying yes to cold press oil. They're saying yes to being vegan. They're saying yes to 91% ingredients from natural origin. Their packaging is made out of 25% recycled plastic, which is great. I think it's awesome that, a company is trying to do as much as possible to eliminate their plastic use or try to use recycled plastic into their packaging. That's really good. And if this can be recycled, then that's even better. So it is a PET type 1 recycling with this packaging, and I'm sure you would just need to take off the the labels before you throw it in to get recycled. If we can eliminate plastic altogether, that is the goal, honestly. If we can go from literally 100% organic, 100% natural, that is the goal. For now, this is amazing. This is great that they're using recycled plastic and that they're doing the best they can, and that you can recycle these as well, which I think is great. So the shampoo and conditioner I used to wash my hair. This is after just washing my hair. This has been one day, I slept, and then this is what my hair looks like the next day. And the smell is really nice, but it does smell very artificial. I don't know how to, I think when you've been using a lot of natural products for quite a long time and you're used to essential oils and that kind of thing, it's you can smell that it's almost like sweets. I don't know how else to explain it, but that's what it smells like. But when it comes out, it's very soft, then it lathers quite nicely. And then with the conditioner, same thing, it smells quite sweet. It's, like I said, I'm used to essential oils now. And when I'm looking at the ingredients, you're seeing the fragrances that they're adding into a product. So do some research on fragrances being added into a product instead of essential oils, and see the difference in if it's better for you, that kind of thing. And for me, I would just rather have a product with essential oils than added fragrances. It smells fun. Like I said, do your research. This one also, it smelled really nice as well. It was a nice texture to lather onto the skin. There will be a activation on Instagram. You will be using the hashtag #BeautyPositivitySA to join the conversation, and we can all talk about what products in this Nature Box range have really stood out for us and what's worked, what hasn't worked. Can the brand maybe learn something from its consumers in this process as well. This is a chance for them to grow as a brand as well from a lot of different standpoints, and we're here to help them. Like, we're the consumers and we have a voice and we can decide what we want from them. So let's come together, let's voice our opinions, let's start a conversation and say, you know, what is working, what's not working, and what we enjoyed. The Insta party will take place on the 20th of June, just to, you know, so save the date. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna do the usual Insta stories and IG videos and all that kind of stuff. So follow me on Instagram, follow the story, follow the journey, follow everyone else involved as well, so that you can get everyone's feedback from what's going on. Let's start conversations, let's enjoy the Insta party, and let's have fun. Thank you so much, my lovelies, for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was somewhat insightful. So thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it always. I appreciate the love, and please make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of my videos. Support each other, guys. Like, I think it's really important that we stay united now more than ever. We are kind, we are loving, and we are respectful to one another more than ever. Right now, we need the love. So keep sharing it, keep loving one another as much as you can, and yeah, I love you, my lovelies. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!